2 months ago, I received questions about folkloric dance, especially farmer dance, from our friend Evelina. I was busy all these months because 2 points actually I would like to share with you. The first point was about my new book. I was preparing a lot of issues to finish the book and to be ready to brand. And exactly we are in this point now. The end of this month, no, next month, the book will be ready, and I hope to find it on my hands actually, and on the other hand it will be in the market. Of course I will announce about it with you to tell you exactly everything related to this book and how you can get it. This is the first point. The second point, actually I was busy also with our festivals here in Egypt, dance festivals here in Egypt, international festivals and local festivals, and I was preparing a lot of things regarding this point, yes, also too. Now I am ready to share with you the answer of this question regarding the Fallahi dance. In fact, we haven't this Fallahi dance at the meaning of this word actually with all of you, but let me tell you when I received this question, it reminded me with a question happened from one of my colleagues in the Academy of Arts. One day I was entering the Academy of Arts 2 years ago, and suddenly a professor stopped me. He was standing with some of the students. He asked me a question regarding this point actually. Do we have Fallahi dancing? He astonished when I told him yes, and suddenly I found one of the students smiled in a foxy way. I don't understand at this moment what is going on, but it was a conversation between both of them or all of them regarding this point. Actually, what if we have Fallahi dancing or not? Of course, I told him yes, we have. And let me tell you that we have a special type of Fallahi dancing. We call it Hakka dance. Step by step, I'll explain to you what is the meaning of this actually. You know, we have two main dance troupes in Egypt, Reda troupe and Kawmiya troupe. Reda troupe or Mahmoud Reda created actually this type of wonderful or this style of wonderful choreography, what we call it Fallahi dancing, but it is a comedy dance steps or a comic choreography, comedy choreography. On the other hand, Kawmiya troupe created yes also a choreography about Fallahi dancing, which it is very close to the society. I mean, farmer people. Who created this actually was not Egyptian. I mean, with the Kawmiya troupe, the choreographer, she was not Egyptian, but she was from the Soviet Union long time ago. It was during the Nasser's regime at this time. I think her name was Ramazina. She created this choreography by another way, which it is rare to find it now. It is back or baking bread and put it on the oven. This oven is a local oven made by stone, something uh, close to the Egyptian way anyway. So she created like this way, and it is difficult to see, or it's rare actually to find it nowadays because they didn't perform it once more again on the stage. But on the other hand, Mahmoud Reda created this type of choreography as a comedy, as I told you, when he influenced it with Fallahi or farmer people. All the time they love to say some jokes or play some funny dance steps or movements, something like that. So he created like this way. It is completely different, of course, than the truth, but it's something we can smell it because Reda Troop, their choreographies, what Mahmoud Reda created, are very close to the society, except some choreographies, as I told you, such as this one, what we are talking about. On the other hand, as I told you, we have actually Many different types of dancing belongs to the farmers or North Egypt Delta, such as gypsy dancing and, of course, Jawazi dancing too. And on the other hand, we have a horse dancing too. It is not our main point now, but this is exactly all these type of dances coming from North Egypt. I mean Delta. What about Fakka? As I told you, Fakka, it is Egyptian word, which it means or very close to the exchange, money exchange. But also farmers are using this Fakka, which going to relaxation or relax. As you know, most of the time, farmers, I mean women, farmers, women, working too much during the day from the dawn until evening inside their houses. And sometimes also they go to the field helping their men over there. It is like that too. But sometimes in the evening they gathered in one room, sit together, chatting or talking about what's going on during the day or celebrating of something like this. During this time, sometimes one of them sang some songs or some jokes, say some jokes, yes, also. Sometimes one of them standing in front of the others began to dance or move. This movement, we call it fakka dance, which it means relax. Let us do some relax to show her the beauty of her body. On the other hand, also to show the flexibility of her body in front of the others. Sometimes couples can dancing together and sometimes one by one. It is like that. This type of dancing very close to the ballet dance. But of course, ballet dance has its own way of movements, not same as dance or relaxation or relaxing dancing, but it is like that, like this way. If we go back again to Kawmiya troupe, what Ramazina created, actually, this way of movements when she backing, I mean, women backing the bread to prepare it before putting it on the oven. And by the way, in both areas, North Egypt and South of Egypt and Upper Egypt, we have the same way women working inside their houses from dawn until evening. It is the same way. I don't know why they connected this movements or this choreography, or say that this choreography belongs to North Egypt or Delta or farmer coming from North Egypt than in Upper Egypt. I don't know why. I haven't any answer yet about this. But anyway, both sides doing the same or making the same. On the other hand, she created like this way with a lot of wonderful dance choreographies. And of course, as I told you, it is rare to find, but I have already video about it since long time, black and white, by the way. Someone filmed it and already gave it to me, filmed it long ago and already gave it to me. This is exactly about the difference between both. So for this reason, we have already type of or style of farmer dancing, not same as Reda Troupe created or Mahmoud Reda created, but it is the Fakka dance, as I told you. Nobody yet created any choreography same as farmer dancing do it, because in or all over the world, you know exactly some choreographers created a type of farmer dancing, such as when women go to the market, sell their fruits or their things they make it at home or something like that. It is completely different than the truth, yes, also, but it is wonderful. Anyway, I love it very much and I watch it. Even all of you watch it too. Also, if someone have or a group of dancers carrying jars or something like this, but this type of dancing belongs to Jawazi much more than Fallahi dancing. But anyway, it is wonderful too. I love it very much, and I love very much to watch it from all of you. the truth, as I told you, the Fakka dancing, which it is relaxed dancing, as I said, and maybe one day I can explain to you or show you much more about it. So this is the answer of this question, which I hope you, Evelina, find it good for you to know exactly this way. And sometimes, yes, also, let me say youth or children, let me see something like that, play or dancing, yes, also with the farmer women, but not men. I didn't see through all this time I'm traveling over there in both North Egypt or South of Egypt, see women and men dancing together. Looks like Fallahi dancing, like what are we doing on a stage? This is a theatrical folk dancing, not truth actually, but youth or I mean children sometimes do the same with their women. I mean with their family, their moms, something like that. Like that, it is like this way. So this is exactly my answer for this question. And if you have any question regarding our dancing, I mean folkloric dance, any type of dance, please write me down or send to me. I will create a video, explain much more about it or about this point you are looking for its answer or like this way. So this was my video for today, which I hope you like it. And if this is the first time watching this video or this is the first time visiting the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and be in contact with me to have every time something new about our dancing, if it is folkloric dance, belly dancing, oriental dancing, ballady dance, whatever. If I have an answer, I will answer you. And of course, I will tell you the truth because sometimes I see a lot of strange answers or information which not real correct, something like that. So anyway, I will be waiting for you in my next video. Thank you very much and see you again very soon.